Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your WordPress site more organized and user-friendly, today's tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to add an archive widget in WordPress in just a few simple steps. This will help your visitors easily navigate your older posts and keep them engaged longer. Let's dive in. Access your WordPress account. First, go to wordpress.com and click the login option. For a quicker and secure login, you can choose Continue with Google. Once you're in, you'll be ready to access your site dashboard. Open the site editor after logging in. Look for the Quick Links panel on the right. Click Edit Site. This will open the WordPress editor where you can customize your site blocks. In the editor, find the Add button on the top left side. Click it to open the block menu. This is where you can add all kinds of widgets and blocks to your pages. Search for the archive widget. In the block search bar, type archive. You'll see the archives tab appear in the results. Click on it and WordPress will automatically add the widget to your site. How it works. The archive widget organizes your past posts by month and year, making it super easy for visitors to find older content. This not only enhances your site's navigation, but also keeps your readers engaged longer. Adding an archive widget is a simple step that greatly improves user experience. It helps visitors quickly locate previous posts, boosts site organization, and encourages them to spend more time exploring your content. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now more organized with the archive widget in place. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.